There'll be timber up in heaven, 'cause they speak of the evergreen trees. And I'm sure there'll be flowers in abundance, and soft fern that waves in the breeze. But sometimes I can't help but wonder about things we don't need in the woods. Will they leave out the things that annoy us and surround us with everything good? If they left out the devil's club and thistle, it'd sure be a lot better place. And I don't think I'd miss the vine maples that for years have slapped me in the face. And what of the pesky stinging nettle that leaves welts that burn and itch all day? And we wouldn't need all those wild blackberries, 'cause they never have no berries anyway. I can't see no reason for mosquitoes, and the deer flies don't give you any rest. And I doubt that in a heavenly forest you'd blunder into a yellow jacket's nest. There's so many pretty things out in the timber, and if all those pesky plants and bugs were gone, it'd sure be the heaven that we dream of, and a logging job I'd like to be on. Now I know they'll need loggers up in heaven, 'cause they'll all build new homes in the sky. And I'm putting in my application for a job in the sweet by and by. And I'm putting